Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Info. On today's recipe, we are preparing guinea fowl and rabbit cabbage light soup. So let's quickly go on with our ingredients. We have our guinea fowl, our rabbit cabbage, tomato paste, salt to taste, fresh tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper, ginger, garlic, celery, cube for the season. There's another for the season. We have our 2-star, Rosemary, Basil, and Fennel, and then Thyme. So let's start with putting our meat on our bowl. I've already washed my meat. We are cutting our onion for the season of the meat. Blending those items. Our ginger, garlic, our dry spices. Blend it together. Season our meat. Everything together. Add a little bit of water, then blend it. Our blended item is ready. We are pouring it inside. We're going to raise it, a little bit of water. Raising it with a little bit of water. And add our cubes. Then leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once our meat is on fire, we are coming to boil our cabbage and including with the onion and then the fresh tomato. We are cutting half. We are using half of the cabbage, not everything. Before you wash it. You can use any cabbage of your choice. This is the hard one. We have soft one too. If you don't have this type, you can use the soft one too to do it. It's all cabbage. The onion, and your habanero pepper, then your fresh tomato. Everything, then boil it together. Mixing it. Adding water. I've added water on it. Ready, fire. This one we call it about 7 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. Guys, let's check our meat. It's about 8 minutes to 10 minutes. Let's check it. Those of you who haven't still tried this recipe, the Guinea Fowl with the rabbit, is very delicious. And then the cabbage light soup too is very good for our health too. I recommend you to try it at home. Let's check our tomato and the cabbage is ready. So I've off the fire. I'll leave it for about 5 minutes to cool down. Then I blend it. Let me cover my soup. Okay guys, we are blending our item. Pouring my blended cabbage, fresh tomatoes, but I will strain it. I don't want my soup to be too thick because of the cabbage. I'm going to strain it just once. See, very thick. Light. Strain it. Everything, then you add water. Use water too. So I'm raising inside my blender. Add a little bit of water. Raise everything. You've seen it. You've seen the inside. The strainer. Want our soup to be light, not thick. I'm going to throw this one out. Guys, look at our soup. Getting ready. Just left about 5 minutes. And our soup is ready. And you can enjoy it with anything, food or plain rice. Try it. Hello, family. This is our soup, cabbage soup. Have you seen it? It's our cabbage soup. That's what I'm coming to. Enjoy it. Cabbage nice soup. If you haven't still subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and